Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of my video. So I did mention some of the training tech fields you should consider getting into in 2024. So now this part 2, I'm telling you about the amount of money you can make out from these fields, like the base salary, the entry level, how much you can make from this. So for example, first one, data scientist or data analyst. So according to my research, like entry level positions, you might start around $60,000 to $80,000 a year, while an experienced data scientist can make up to $120,000 and to $150,000 a year. So that's you can see how lucrative it is. So let's talk about machine learning engineer. So entry level roles might start around $90,000 to $110,000 a year. So while experienced ones can earn up to $180,000 a year from machine learning. So cybersecurity specialists. So usually the entry level position could start from around $70,000 to $90,000 a year, but while an experienced cybersecurity specialist can make from around $120,000 up to $180,000 a year. So it depends also on the company. So now we talk about I talked about in my previous video, I talked about cloud computing specialist or cloud architect. Here the base entry salary is like 80 to 100,000. The entry level salary is around $80,000 to $100,000 a year. So that's just the entry level position. While like if you have an experienced cloud architect can make up to $150,000 to $200,000 a year, depending on your level of skills and how improved you are. So you should consider getting into it. So now I also did talk about a software developer. A software developer, like it might start from $70,000 to $90,000 a year. So while experienced engineers in this specialized areas can make up to what, like $120,000 to $160,000 if you are specialized in a particular area. Just like you can decide to be like a full stack developer, a DevOps engineer, and stuff like that. So that's the salary. So if you want to be an AI ethicist, I did talk about this in my previous video. The entry salary is between $80,000 to $100,000 for entry roles, but an experienced one can make up to $150,000 a year. So you should consider getting into this field. So I did talk about AR and VR developer, that's virtual reality developers, and this. So now the starting salary is approximately $70,000 to $90,000 a year, while experienced developers can earn like $100,000 to $150,000 a year. So this is a field you should consider if you are planning to get into tech. Also, blockchain developers, like the entry level roles, like positions, approximately starts from 80 to right up to $100,000 a year. And experienced blockchain developers can earn up to $120,000 to $160,000 or even higher. So it depends on your level of expertise and level of experience. So those were the salaries I'd researched and got. I hope you love it. So follow for more content as I will bring you more tech content. See you guys. Peace out.